I honestly, and I don't want to sound cocky in any way, shape, or form, but I don't have any mentors, honestly. Um, Simply because a lot of the things that I'm into, like software development or 3D printing, it's already in a lane by itself.
Has that always been like a really strong point for you, like being a strong contributor to the community?
For sure, yeah. I honestly feel like before you can do anything for anyone else, you got to build your community up, your core. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what made you, that's what raised you. So I'd be doing myself a disservice if I was trying to save the rest of the world, but I wasn't even looking out for my own city. So that's been one of my core values since a kid, is just making sure the people around me are good and then venture off to what I need to do.
Nice. Well, I guess that kind of touches on like your journey. Then, like you just had this passion for software development, and you just did it to make your town a better place. That's really cool, man.
Yep. Thank you. Thank you.
Um, One of the things that a lot of the professionals we interview talk about is mentorship and people having helped them out along the path. Do you have any like experiences with mentors or any mentors that helped you through your path?
I honestly, and I don't want to sound cocky in any way, shape, or form, but I don't have any mentors, honestly. Simply because a lot of the things that I'm into, like software development or 3D printing, it's already in a lane by itself. There aren't really many people that are doing these things, especially coming from where I'm from. So I would love a mentor, but I just never came across one that actually stuck with me and kind of, built the path for me. So I've been doing all this by myself, really.
Yeah. So you've been more of blazing your own path then.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
That's very cool, man.
Thank you.
Um, do you think that maybe like you would think about being a mentor for someone else? Like the more, yeah.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. That's definitely the long-term goal. You know what I mean? With everything that I know, I don't want to keep it all in. I want to share it with somebody else. So I know there's a lot of kids that are coming up in this age, and they look at mobile apps and 3D printing like it's such the coolest thing ever. You know what I mean? So I want to be able to give that to a younger child and kind of mold them and give them what they need as far as what I needed when I was growing up. So for sure, I definitely would like to be a mentor.